Welcome to MX Decor, your ultimate destination for all things home decor. Here we believe that your living space should reflect your unique style and personality. Whether you are looking for inspiration to transform a single room or seeking tips on how to create a cohesive look throughout your home, MX Decor has you covered. From dye projects and design trends to expert advice on color palettes and furniture arrangements, our channel is dedicated to helping you turn your house into a beautiful oasis. Join our community of decor enthusiasts and embark on a journey to elevate your home's aesthetic. Today's video is on modern paver designs as covering your home outdoor space. Modern paver and walkway designs have transformed outdoor spaces into really stunning extensions of the home. With a variety of materials such as concrete, brick, and natural stone, homeowners can create unique patterns and textures that complement their landscaping. The use of bold colors and geometric shapes allow for creative expressions, making pathways not just functional but also a focal point in garden design. Incorporating curves and asymmetrical layouts can soften the rigid lines often associated with traditional walkways, providing a more organic feel that harmonizes with nature. In addition to aesthetics, modern designs prioritize sustainability and functionality. Additionally, the integration of eco-friendly materials such as recycled concrete or sustainably sourced stones align with the growing trends of environmentally conscious landscaping. Walkways are designed to accommodate foot traffic while considering drainage and maintenance, ensuring they remain practical and durable over time. The rise of technology in landscape design has also influenced modern paver and walkway trends. Smart lighting solutions can be integrated into paver pathways, enhancing safety and ambience during nighttime. Solar power lights or LED strips can illuminate walkways, highlighting their design while providing functional lighting. Furthermore, some paver systems now feature built-in heating elements to prevent ice accumulation in colder climates, ensuring safe passages during winter months. These advancements not only enhance usability but also elevate the overall experience of outdoor space. Modern paver and walkway designs are incredibly versatile, catering to various styles from minimalistic to rustic. Homeowners can choose from a range of finishes including polished textures or matte surfaces to achieve their desired look. Incorporating elements like planters, sitting areas, and water features into walkway designs can create a cohesive outdoor environment that encourages relaxation and social interaction. The ability to customize layouts and materials means that every walkway can be a reflection of personal taste, making it a unique part of the landscape. In conclusion, modern paver and walkway designs offer a blend of beauty, sustainability, and functionality, making them an essential aspect of contemporary landscaping. Whether for residential or commercial spaces, these pathways enhance the overall aesthetic while serving practical purposes, contributing to a harmonious outdoor experience. And that's all from my side. Thank you for joining MX Decor. We hope you found inspiration and practical tips to help you enhance your living space. Remember, home decor is not just about aesthetic, it's about creating a comfortable and inviting environment where you can thrive. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your decor project with us in the comments and let's continue to inspire each other. Until next time, happy decorating. Bye.
Subscribe. Thank you.